All right, who's ready to go to Pho Town? All right, I tried making pho last night. I was told that it was not better than the restaurant. What was wrong with it?
The broth.
So we're gonna go ahead and try again. Let's go to the store and get the ingredients we need to make some legit pho. Bone selection was a little Spartan. We had to settle for some beef feet, but I think it'll do the job. All right, we're looking around for our whole cloves. I had them yesterday. Where did they go? Can't find them. See, you got allspice, thyme, anise. So I thought I had whole cloves. I've got whole allspice, and I've got ground cloves. I'll try doing a little bit of both. See how it comes out. I've got a tiny bit of cinnamon left. This pho broth might be a little Spartan on the cinnamon. That is smelling good. It actually kind of smells like chai. But once we get that broth going, it's just gonna mingle in there with all the flavors, and I think this is gonna come out well. Oh, you want me to play with the soccer ball? Ooh! What are we having for dinner?
Yak noodle soup.
What kind of noodle soup? How was it last night? Better than the restaurant or not as good? Not as good? Alright, let's see how this broth is. This pho broth was a pho fail. The anise seeds were really the major problem. They just overwhelmed the broth. So getting rid of the anise seeds and putting in a few more beef bones, and I think we'll have the broth the way it needs to be. So we'll try again.